OAVS is still failing and nobody is talking about it. For those who are unfamiliar, Odisha Adrasa Vidyalaya Sangathan was established by the government of Odisha in 2015. The primary focus of this particular initiative was to majorly focus in the rural part of India and give them education that is in English medium. But now, according to the reports, it is observed that rather than some of the schools are performing very well, still there are some lacuna in this particular initiative. Just think for a moment. What comes to your mind whenever you are observing an organization like educational institution failing? We target to teachers, right? But that's not true here. In fact, the government teachers get selected when they are passing the very high competitive and rigorous examination. And report says sometimes the ratio is 1000 is to 1, where when 1000 number of teachers or applicants are present for the examination, only one gets selected. Now let me decode where the actual flaws are. Just think for a moment. If you are bringing one initiative where your target audience is rural area, but you start your admission from grade 5, not from the grade 1. Now, the interesting part comes. According to the report and according to the educator, it is found that it take at least 2 to 3 years for a student to understand the basic language, to understand the basic terminology, and to maintain the pace. With this, some of the quick learners score very well in the entire session, while most of them stay inactive and are found not interested in the entire session. What if you are targeting to the wrong audience? The teachers are spending whole of their years in just teaching fundamentals, the basics, and the syllabus remain incomplete, and teachers has to just follow the administrative procedures on the paper but not really. Learning outcomes from this whole scenario, we have understood that it's not always hiring that matters. Sometimes it's the audience to whom we target, and we should target to get our best results. Now, if you have experienced the same angle that I have explained over here, you can share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching till end. If you liked this particular video, don't forget to subscribe this particular channel and share this video to someone who may need this.